if you have puffiness, or if you find that the depth of your eyes as, you get older becomes more accentuated, all you would need is a tiny little art brush. Like these are from the art store, okay? And Kylie's is not as bad as, I don't feel like, as mine. So let's say Kylie is a very fair. What color usually the BB cream or the tinted moisturizer? Light?
I think I do very fair for the Piranetta.
Right.
But then the under eye is even like one lighter.
Right. So this is the reason why. So let's say we've done the very fair. We've used her shade for the base, but I want to bring this here, and I have that identical thing, so that's why I do it all the time. You want to bring that line, you need to bring it out. And I know Kylie was talking about puffiness, but you're creating an illusion. If the skin is raised here and deeper here, the part that's deeper and creates that line under our eyes, does it not need to be pulled forward to be on level with the rest of the skin? So if her shade is very fair, you can go a little bit lighter with another shade to create the illusion that the skin is now, kind of a little bit more forward. Sorry, here we go. Just a little bit of a lighter. Okay, so she's done her makeup and everything, and we just want to make this. So I'm going to take a tiny bit. And the reason you need to have a little brush like this is because you need to go right into that line. Okay, so the line is here. So anywhere where it's a little bit deeper, I would apply it only there. And then I would go in. And start like tapping it in. And you have to be very careful not to go into the puffiness. It's a very, very specific application, because if you go into the puffiness, now you're bringing the puffiness more onto the foreground. And now it's looking puffier. It would be the same thing if we want to push back and open up a hooded eyelid. We don't want to highlight it. Anything lighter just draws it out. So then I would just go in and kind of just tap, 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 tap. And after I do that, I would powder it. Okay, in my brush. And how does it look from where you're sitting?